What's the tip?
Don't ride too close to the person in front of you.
Easy. All right, rolling up to the Bailey's house. Zach Bailey.
It's cracking.
392.
I'm going riding.
Tyler's still in bed. We're gonna go give him a wake-up call.
These things are clapped. Look at the front. I got knobbies hanging off, but I ain't scared because no matter what, you're slipping around in this shit. Look at this.
No, look at mine. Mine's already gummed up. Just right around the parking lot.
Yep. It's gonna be a good day.
Gonna be a good day.
All you gotta do is sit down and take a for the guys as fast as you can, as hard as you can.
Slipper than a wild pig out here.
It is fucking slippery.
I'm not getting any traction.
Yeah, your tires are bad as mine.
Yeah.
You gotta ask that guy over there.
All right,
He's a pro.
You gotta turn yourself into Jello and go with the flow. Stand up and sit down when you need traction. That's about all I can tell you.
Oh, easy.
Like when I was going up this hill right over here, it was a straight rut and I had no speed to start off, and it was really slippery. So you just get way back on the seat and start bouncing, whop, 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 and you'll get so much more traction if you just, you know, weigh 220 pounds.
So put back the veers. Before.
Drink plenty of Budweiser and you'll be able to get a lot of traction in the mud. Tip number 375.6. Lean. Don't turn in the mud. You just gotta lean it like, you know, you saw me earlier when I was on the trail all sideways and upside down?
Mm-hmm.
It's because I was leaning a little bit too much.
When you're coming in hot on a turn and it's super slippery, how do you compensate and not fly off the edge and then make the turn?
Definitely don't slam on the brakes.
Cut it wide.
And cut it wide. Always try to hit your front tire slightly higher on the berm and you'll just swoop right around it like a wild man.
So you want to go higher even though you're scared you're going to fly off the edge?
Yes.
All right.
And your G-forces will pull you around the corner as long as you're leaning enough.
Aim for the inside of the red. The inside.
We just said completely
He just said
different
top outside. Bailey brothers.
things. We both got different techniques.
What's the tip?
Don't ride too close to the person in front of you.
Oh gosh. Caked. You got the tool burrito.
Fuck yeah. These screens are a dime a dozen.
So what's the problem? You got boggin bottom end?
Yeah.
So pulling out the old Sparky.
I'm just poking big holes in it, man.
Oh, you're poking holes in it? I like it.
Can't pull it out because this guy don't have his Allen set.
Whoops.
I don't have a hammer, so I have to use a rock.
Oh, that's...
Tyler forgot his hammer.
Dude, a rock is a standard tool. Standard KTM issue tool.
One time I used to
try that on for size.
Who's that one?
Do you teach him how to do this?
Find out.
Damn, this thing's gonna be free flowing after this, bud.
Tyler, stick your bean in there.
I got no beans. Holy.
Simple carb fix, we thought, is turning into a full ordeal.
Per usual.
Zachary's Husaberg is busted.
Yep. No brakes.
Should have got a KTM.
No brakes.
No
No fucking pilot jet.
Pulling the pilot, trying to clear it out. Can't get the carb off. So we gotta pull brake cable off. No one has Allens.
Let's just leave him out here.
But we got wet dirt. Tyler's at the moto track pulling wet dirt off his bike.
Oh, I got the front brake.
This is gonna be hard as fuck in the slipperiness. So we all have that horrible Battlecross tire on. It's just horrible in that slippery rocks. So when you're not getting traction in this stuff, you really want to get back on the seat. Cody Webb told me once, like, put your butt on the fender, and that just really gives you a lot of traction way back. So much of the time you want to get up and put your feet down and kind of try to push over it. That releases all the pressure on the back tire, and then that just causes the wheel to spin. Put that weight on the back and then bounce on it and jump over that obstacle. Made it back to the truck with Zach's bike breaking down a couple times, you know, along the way. A good day riding some super wet dirt. Stopping by the local bar. Got to throw up some dollar bills on the ceiling. So first person to shoot a photo of the Trailbound dollar bill up on the ceiling, tag us on Instagram and we'll send you some Trailbound stickers. Cheers, guys. All right, hope you guys had a good time checking out this video with some tips from me and Zach and Tyler. So Zach is the new president of the Timekeepers Motorcycle Club in San Jose. it's pretty cool. The club has given the younger guys a chance to, you know, take over and see what they can do. The last president was my buddy Ryan Boardman. This year, it's Zach Bailey. As you can see, he's a pretty fun guy to hang out with. If you guys want to get involved in the meetings, I think it's free right now. Normally there's a sign-up cost, but yeah, their Instagram is Enduro TMC, and if you can't find it, hit me up on Instagram and I'll send you the link. And you guys can get in touch with them. I hope this video gave you a couple tips, some things to think about. I'd love to know what you guys think on how to handle the slippery, slimy stuff. It's been a while for all of us. We finally got rain here in California, so hopefully more of this type of riding to come, and we'll progress along the way.